taking off from Carlsbad, Palomar. There's Charlie's head. There's outside. It's a video I'm recording. It's video. Here we go. Here we go. There's Janelle. There's outside again. B1, B2, rotate. Cool. Are we going to fly over Legoland? Where's Legoland? There we are.
Because we only hold 36 max, I think. Hang on, let me look.
There we go.
No, 36.
There's Legoland right there. My God, there it is.
36-0 in the second.
It's Legoland. My favorite place. Right there.